So, one of the practices, fundamental practices that is really underestimated in internal martial arts is standing meditation. And the thing about standing meditation, in simple words, is that you are increasing the mind and body connection. Okay. And it's not that it's only going to help you to know how to mobilize the chi or have that internal momentum or internal force. Um, but what it's also going to do in terms of the mind body connection is that you have the hands, the externals, being able to connect with the feet and the knees being able to connect with the elbows, the thigh and waist being able to connect with the shoulder. Okay, those are the three external pairs, and then you have the internal pairing of your mind, will, or the intent being able to connect with the heart mind and being able to connect with the energy that's still the mind will, and the mind will also and then the energy being able to connect with the body. Okay, another way of saying that is the mind will be able to connect with the consciousness or the spirit, and the mind will being able to connect with the energy, and then also being able to connect with the body. You can flip it around. That would be the three internals. Together, you have six. Okay, or if we use the term that they like to use in styles like Taiji Chuan, it's the E, the intent, connecting with the Shu, the heart mind, connecting with the energy, the Qi, and then the Qi connecting with the body. But ultimately, what you're cultivating is the mind will. And what's fundamental to that is also that a basics of the standing meditation. So if you're standing in this the hugging tree posture, is that you are releasing the excess tension in all the way into the ground. Okay, the excess tension in the muscles, allowing you to slowly start to mobilize the fascia as it expands and opens. Okay, from the toes all the way up the body, and that looseness or release of excess tension allows the chi to mobilize. If I have to use simple words. The other thing that you're doing is when you're breathing into the lower dantian, in the beginning, you're breathing into the front, you then connect all the way to a point in the ball of the foot, your train. And how you know you're connected to your train is when you feel the weight spread throughout the front of the foot and the back for a foot and throughout the whole foot, or both feet as you stand in this position. Okay? Within the shoulder width. And you relax the knees slightly in so that you can relax the hips. And your mind settles all the way down into the center. Okay? There is a cross section. So this part will connect this part, and this part will connect with this part. But other things also with the harmonization of the harmonies, where besides you having a more calm mind, which will help you if you're an executive in a meeting or if you're a businessman or a businesswoman, from if you're a top performing athlete, that mind body connection will also help with the harmonies. So, for example, if you look at me, I'm more supple, but let's say at my age, at 36, I can do something like this, right? The jumping kick. I can still kick, I'm still loose, even at my age. And then obviously, you have things like internal power. So, for example, if I use this movement, okay, my mind goes there, the energy follows. Something just simple as this. That is me demonstrating the movement of the energy, or in other words, the movement of the intent. Because again, that is what you cultivate in your mind wall. And I coach top movement coaches like Stefan Duvivier on Instagram, Shifu is Dr. Jefflan, a renowned Taiji master acupuncturist, and also an expert Shaolin Kung Fu, um, who is of the Qing lineage. And if you check the description or the pinned link, you have access to the tutorial, which goes beyond just standing meditation and how you can use that for understanding internal energy or building internal energy. And you can apply throughout your life, use it in other martial art modalities, etc. Check the link. And for those who are watching, it is a list of tutorials at a discount. So click it and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.